Stay hungry, stay foolish. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow know what you truly want to become. Sometimes when you innovate, you make mistakes. It is best to admit them quickly and get on with improving your other innovations. Design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. The journey is the reward. I'm convinced that about half of what separates the successful entrepreneurs from the non-successful ones is pure perseverance. Quality is more important than quantity. One home run is much better than two doubles. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. We don't get a chance to do that many things, and everyone should be really excellent, because this is our life. Let's go invent tomorrow, rather than worrying about what happened yesterday. Details matter. It's worth waiting to get it right. I want to put a ding in the universe. Great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people. The most precious thing that we all have with us is time. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. If you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. These quotes serve as timeless reminders of Steve Jobs' wisdom and insight.